Hello viewers, welcome to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. Today's video is going to be very interesting as I am going to share 4 amazing DIYs for Valentine's Day gift, which are quite easy and romantic as well. But before starting the video, do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Hit the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I will upload a new video. So move to our first DIY, heart full of roses. For this I cut a heart shape and traced it on white folded paper in card foam. I am using red foam flowers, easily available at any craft store. If you don't have, you may use handmade spiral roses. We'll share the link in the description. Paste foam flowers on card using hot glue. You can use Fevicol also if you don't have glue gun. Cut the same size white heart. Fold and paste likewise. Paste the dolly lace to adorn it. It will work as holder for the heart bouquet. You can write down your feelings inside the card. Paste red bow on the lace. Paste a piece of ribbon on the heart so that it can be hanged in order to use it as a decor piece later on. And our cute DIY is ready to be gifted. How beautiful and romantic it is. So without any further ado, move to our second DIY for which I am using the honey jar, sand, seeds and shells, which you can get easily from any craft store. A beach photo of you both we need for this DIY. Put the sand into the jar first. Add seed and shells of different kinds. If you are going to visit beach in near future, you can collect sand and seed from there. This DIY will work as the memory of that place. Tie the jute rope to give it a vintage look. Paste shells on jute rope hangings. I pasted the photo on popsicle and then adjusted it inside the jar. How cute it is looking. I am coloring the lid of jar with white acrylic color. Pasted LED tea light candle inside part of lid like this so that you can switch on and off the candle easily. I added a pink bow and flower to make it more attractive. Our cute memory beach jar is ready. Guys, I couldn't capture the video of writing the quote. I wrote the quote on transparent leaf with CD writer and pasted with transparent tape inside the jar. How beautiful gift it would be, reminding of your sweet memories of that romantic trip. If you like the DIY, give a big thumbs up. Next DIY is a bouquet, without which Valentine night is incomplete. Using dark pink or magenta spiral roses for this DIY, using these sticks of water balloons. Need 1 white and 2 pink A4 sheets for this DIY. Paste flowers onto the sticks. If you don't have these sticks, you can make green color rolled sticks of paper or even skewer sticks you can use, which you can get from the craft store. Now follow the steps of folding paper. Here I am using real leaf bunch. Now enjoy watching the video. Here you need to fold the paper as we used to make fans in childhood. Tie the bouquet with pink ribbon. Our beautiful rose bouquet is ready to be gifted. If you like the DIY, give a big thumbs up to my video. Our next DIY is again a dazzling memory frame, for which we need a glass jar, the photos First of all, adjust the photos inside the jar, no need to paste them. These pictures is from our Taj visit and another one from our honeymoon trip Manali. Both pictures are close to my heart. Taj, the symbol of eternal love, and Manali, the ultimate destination for the lovers. Tie the ribbon on the above part, cut the love out of silver glitter sheet and red hearts also. Paste them on ribbon. Paste red flower on the lid. I am using old flower clip. I have written the quote on cellophane first and then pasted it with transparent tape on the picture itself. You can fill the jar either with the chocolates or chocolate kisses, or you can put a letter also inside it and can gift it to your dear one, or you can use battery operated fairy lights to decorate it as showpiece later on. You can use this DIY as night lamp also, cherishing the moments of togetherness. This DIY is my favorite one. I hope guys you liked all the DIYs. Do let me know in the comment section below. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Keep watching for more such fun DIYs. In next video I am going to share 5 easy and romantic cards. So stay tuned, be crafty, take good care of your health. Till then, take care, bye bye.